Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. My name is Maulida and here I will simulate how the book was written by the authors by explaining the 5 instrument here, which are the title, the target users of the audience, the objective or the purpose, the materials used or the text used, and the task to explain the text to achieve the objective. So let's start from the first one about the title. The title here is English for Physics and Astronomy. You could take a look on this page. By a team consists of the Sabir Bayeva, Ilahunova, and Mahmedova from Arabic Kazakh National University. So it is an English book directed to the students in Kazakh. So that's why the translation is in Russian. So it's English-Russian translation. And then let's move to the second instrument, which is the target users or the audiences. You can see it from this page, the second page, that the teaching material is intended for the first until second year students of physical and technical department, especially specialty in physics and astronomy, but it also can be used as supplementary material for self-study assignments. So that is the target audiences, target users, and then let's move to the objective or the purpose of this material, of this book. We could also see it from this page. The purpose of this teaching material is to teach students to understand text in their specialty and to familiarize with the terminology. So it means that the students should get used with the terms around the specific field they studied, and in this case, it's physics and astronomy. And then it also shown and the introduction page and the final sentences at the final stage of work, it is possible to speak on the topic chosen by learners or teachers, like that. So let's move to the next instrument, which is the material use or the text use in these books. After I read and reviewed this book, I could say that the text or materials inside this book is all revolving around physics and astronomical thingy. We can see it from the text that is included here. Like text in the unit 1, it's observing the sky with unaided eye. And then here, let me tell you something interesting in here, that we can see that in this book it makes the astronomical thingy with the authentic illustration which happen in the daily life. Like the first one is things fall to the ground because of gravity. This is to present the present simple tenses. And then for the present continuous, they use like Mary is studying at home, the library is shut, Tom is always asking stupid, blah, 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 etc. That is the material used in the book. Okay, let's move to the last instrument, which are the tasks used. The tasks used in this book is on the line with the learning objective, which I've mentioned before. Let's take a look on the exercise 1 here, which emphasizes on grammar. And then also you can see from the exercise 9 in page 34, let me show you here, which are which the command is to translate to the mother language, which in this case is Kazakh or Russian. That the task is used to achieve the understanding of the word combination in the text here. And also we could also see from the exercise, the previous exercise here, answer the following question based on the text. We could also find the discussion in the next unit. The purpose of that exercise is to understand the main content of the text, which develops some skills of purposeful, intelligent reading. So I think that's all. Because I've already explained the fifth of the instrument, I think that's all. Thank you for listening. And finally, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.